Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to know how to transfer USDT from Binance to Bybit, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer your USDT from Binance to Bybit. So to do that, you have to withdraw your USDT from Binance and deposit it into Bybit. So first of all, open your Bybit app on your phone and go to your asset. So just tap on this deposit and search here for USDT, and from here you have to choose your chain to deposit your money. In this tutorial I am using this avoxc chain. Now you can see there is a address, just copy it, and now just go to the Binance app. Now you have to just click on this withdraw, and from here this USDT I have 3.85. we have our deposit address, so we are using address. So just paste here the Bybit address, deposit address, and select the same chain network. This is avoxc chain. Select this. Now from here you have to write how many dollar you want to send or you want to transfer into your Bybit. In this case I am using my full of balance, which is $3.85, and you can see it will take a little fee, and after that I will receive $3.71. So just tap on this withdraw. Now you can see there is a confirm button, just make sure to confirm it. Success, 3.71 cent. So let's go to our Bybit and just check this. You can see 8.56 USDT. So you can see we have received our $3.7. So basically this is how you can easily send your money from Binance to Bybit or transfer your money from Binance to Bybit. If you think this video is helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel.